You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. This is the first time ever that I have been in Greenville, South Carolina. Now, it takes a strong force to pull me in such areas, and only one person can do it. Oh, we have Miss Sook, okay? Now, if you don't remember the last shoots that we did, they went crazy, all right? They went crazy. Now, the reason why this is important is because, first of all, she trusted me with the first shoot that we did in South Carolina, so thank you for that.
Of course.
Second of all, it's all about building a rapport. So that was the first time that we met. It was great vibes, but I believe you gotta continue building those things, especially if you want to be able to travel and create content with each other. So that is the importance of this trip here. So we got a lot of things that we are trying to accomplish, and I appreciate her taking time to meet with little OT Mid, okay? But I got this Airbnb. It is actually pretty dope, so we're gonna do some things here. We got some things we want to do outside. Of course, I'm a feeder so she can keep the energy up. And we're gonna get in. You got anything you want to say? No. Okay, let's go.
I'm walking away. I'm not wasting no more time tonight. Either we're fighting or we do this right. No more drama, can we keep it light? I don't wanna fight, no.
I like that.
Oh, cool.
Alright. Okay.
If that's an issue, then it's time to say I'm not playing no more games today. Don't wanna fight.
Alright.
Don't wanna fight.
I want you to open up your stance again. Yeah. Perfect. That left hand, you can kind of like tug a little bit. Yep, that's it. Sook. So from the stuff that I brought, we got a few different options. Okay, and you can be completely honest. Does anything look remotely like something you would be potentially in? Because I know lingerie is not really your lane, right? Like, or you haven't really just done a lot of it, right?
Yeah.
So does anything stick out to you from what I brought?
Some of the like chain stuff was cool.
Okay. Some of the chain
I didn't like
stuff.
look at it like super closely because there's
Okay.
like not a lot, so I just kind of.
Okay. Okay. So let's see what we got. We got a lot of stuff in here. So we got. I don't know if you've seen these. These are like rhinestone.
Wait, what is it? Oh.
Underwear. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
And then like gold bangles.
It's like. Yeah, I didn't even open this one.
Oh, you said you didn't?
No.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if that's like a gown or something.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think?
So if you was trying to be sexy for a man, all right, hold on. Let me not be sexist, because let me not assume that you only like men. Okay, if a man or woman.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What would you put on?
Honestly, I have no idea. Like, I feel like if it's a guy, they don't care at all what I'm wearing. So.
Damn, that's how you feel about us?
Yeah.
Like.
So I don't know. You tell me.
Okay. All right, let's see.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history.
Outside, we have Sook and boom. I got a whole lot of gear situation going on. Now I'm going to try to be very expedient with this, because the shots I really want to get is on top of the garage, but try to get something right here first. So let's see what we can do. One, two, three.
I just need to clear my head.
Yep, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3, and stay right there. 1, 2, 3. Woo! All right, that's cool. So yeah, take a couple steps back, and then I'm gonna tell you when to walk. All right. All right. Woo! You see that acceleration? All right, we're gonna do this intro right here. You good? Yeah. All right, you good right there. I'm gonna come on this side. All right. Oh, maybe I should swing it out just a little. Oh shit. Okay. I see. I'm gonna have to hand hold it so we can keep it down. All right, that's cool.
Oh, sorry.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. We have Miss Morgan back with me. We are going to try to do this very quick garage shoot. It is absolutely packed right here. It is windy. The sun is setting. We're gonna try to get some shots before security comes. Hopefully they don't, but if they do, it is what it is. So, are you ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go. All right, so if I come on that side, it should work a little bit better for you, right? Like if I put you right here. Yeah, let me get you on the back. Right there. 1, 2. There we go. 1, 2. That's it. Alright, here we go. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2. Let me see, is that enough light? Yep.